which basically means he isn't ready to commit. I really need to get away.
Have you guys been doing it?
Well, Gus has been trying to get me to go with him on this wild, dirty weekend in Santa Barbara, and I really want to go. But I don't want him to know that.
Boy, you really have the hots for him.
I do, but things have dipped in the bedroom a bit. You talk to yourself?
All the time.
Do you respond?
Sometimes.
I talk to myself sometimes, and then, but I'll talk to myself and say like, okay, we should go to CVS, and then we should go there. I don't know who we is though. It's me and me.
Well, there's others in there. I can sense them.
Are you saying I'm stretched out?
I'm saying you got a lot of loads in there.
That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
How about clearing your throat for no apparent reason?
No.
Okay, what about do you find...
Sorry, I hear it now.
From being a successful columnist to being an award-winning author, 20 years later, it all paid off. And just like that, I was a guest on someone else's podcast.
We love daddies.
In the traditional sense, specimen that provides the sperm biologically to create a human. But what is a daddy? Someone who buys you things. A daddy you have more of like a relationship with. Daddy is straight up Daddy is Renaissance children called their fathers.
I live in New York. I forget. Did I mention I live in New York?
I lunch in New York. I brunch in New York. I munch with my bunch and a crunch in New York.
I know New York. You need New York. And I know you need unique New York.
North, south, east, west. These are the boroughs I love the best.
Brooklyn.
What the hell was that? Did you guys rehearse that? What was that? Do that again. Hey Siri, what song is this? Let's do it again.
Oh, you got me a cake. I love you guys.
It's triple chocolate from Sweet Lady Jane's.
Your fave.
Chad, are you okay?
What? You're just gonna blow right past that? You came out here with the cake and then you guys all joined in and you did that little thing.
The thing?
The thing.
Chad, have you never heard of the Happy Birthday song?
The Humpy Schmorfday Schmogsh? I don't know that.
Happy Birthday song.
What is this?
Have you never been to a birthday party?
No. No, I never have.
Hi, I'm Helen Bonnet, and welcome back to Open Book. Today I have Amanda Ross, best-selling author of Self-Help for People with No Self.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
And we have two special guests, Amanda's parents, Susan and Charles Ross.
Hello.
Such a fan. Thank you for having us.
So, you must be so proud of your daughter.
Yeah.
I'm curious. What did you think about her book?
Well, I thought it was great.
Great. Still doing Postmates, and for a while when the pandemic started, the tips were actually quite huge. Now people have gone back to regular tips or, no tip at all. Kind of forget once they closed the app and their food came, which is not super convenient for me and the rest of the delivery people. But, it's good. It's fun. Gets me out of the house.
Elizabeth, just give me a big clap. One more time.
Hey, welcome to the show. This is Elizabeth and Amanda, and we're gonna do some improv for you.
Yeah.
Like, once we leave here, we're letting all of our fears
Yes.
out.
You guys said you were aspiring comedians, so I didn't know if y'all were really doing it.
We say aspiring because we're not getting paid. Actually, that's a lie. I got paid $4.
Hey, so what's up? We're getting ready to go prank my girlfriend. Watch this.
out.
No,
Somebody necklace. Get out. Out. Go!
See, that's hilarious. It's a fantastic prank.
I hate you! Get out. You out.
I do need you to be wearing one thing.
The harness.
No, it's at the cleaners.
Well, what else could it be?
Trojan brand bearskin lubricated condoms. It'll have you feeling like you're wearing nothing at all.
Wow. Feels like I'm wearing nothing at all.
Just like I like it.
Simulating lube from Socksucker Studios.
If monogamy is the only thing that's holding your relationship together, then like, what's the point?
And statistically, it is proven that people in open relationships are happier than people in closed relationships. It's literally called new relationship energy, NRE. What that creates is that feeling that everyone talks about, that spark that dies when you're in a monogamous relationship. You never lose that when you're in an open relationship. So you never lose the spark. You don't have those same problems that traditionally heterosexual couples.
Hey, have you guys seen a Jen and Matt?
The fuck?
Cupid? Yeah, I'm looking for a Jen and Matt.
I don't know no Jen or Matt.
Damn it.